Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at the Mirai speaker from SoundFun.
And SoundFun sent us this for the review.
So what this is a speaker that you can attach to your TV, and because it's got this curved surface, it's supposed to make it easier for you to understand the dialogue when you're watching TV.
And what does it have in the back here? It's got, if you look in the back, it's got a place to plug it in. So it comes with a power adapter, it's a 12-volt power adapter, a place for a audio cable, and an on-off switch, and of course a dial on the back and the top to be able to adjust the volume. Now, keep in mind this does use an analog cable, so this is basically an audio cable. If you have an audio jack on your TV,
Headphone jack.
yeah, like a headphone jack, you can plug it in and it'll work directly with it. If not, what do you need?
You're going to say it.
I'm going to say it because it's the digital analog converter. But basically, they send you a box here that will convert this analog into digital so you can hook it up to your TV, because most modern TVs don't have a headphone jack, or a lot of them don't. So this thing here can use an optical cable to your TV, and it hooks into here, or you can use the audio jacks here in the back, and it has some buttons to go select which one you use. And if you want to be really fancy, they even give you a remote to this thing here, to this digital analog converter, to be able to select which way it works. So it's pretty cool. Everything is in the box.
So we're going to go check it out and come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.